Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to figure out the size of SOAP input message. This we will do on both Java and ESQL. I will use some projects from my GitHub repository for this task. Link in description. I will start with a project called ESQL functions _v1. I will use ESQL to calculate SOAP message size. I have used length function and asBitstream function to figure out the size of SOAP message. Since the input message domain is not blob, you have to serialize it first before you can check the length of it. Our testing shows successful results. When I added 2 characters, the length increased by 2. See 125 and 127. I next try to accomplish the same functionality of calculating input message size using Java Compute Node. I will be using this project from my GitHub repository called parse zip file _mfp. This project reads in a zip file in a blob domain. On line 59, I have shown you how to read blob domain using getRootElement dot getLastChild dot getValue. Line 61, I have shown you how to read value for any domain such as XML, NSC, SOAP, etc. Our testing is successful. When you execute system.out.println, it writes to console.txt file under the execution group folder. See screen for folder path. I have used input message length to stop a message from processing in the past. Consider that the source system has given you a specification document for inputs of size 10 MB and you build your code for that. But every month they keep increasing the payload size without informing you. In this case, you can block their data from processing based on the payload size.